What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DR900S-2 channel from Blackvue, as well as the Blackvue PowerMagic Ultra battery B-124. Now this is a 2-channel dash cam, and it is a 4K Ultra HD front-facing dash cam. The interior camera is still 1080 full HD. It does not have infrared in this particular model, but stay tuned because they're supposed to be releasing an infrared version, and as soon as they do, you can bet I'm going to do an update to this video. But even without infrared, I've got to say I've already tested it out, and I am surprised, truly impressed and surprised at the nighttime quality of this interior camera without infrared, and I think you guys are going to be too. Now, there's a few things that I want to discuss with you. Unfortunately, I had a whole unboxing video done for you guys, and sometime during my transition between PC and Mac, files disappeared. Now, you can only unbox something once, especially since everything is already installed in my car. I'm not uninstalling it to do an unboxing, so that'll just make this video a lot shorter and sweeter. Let's get into some specifications real quick. Alright, so here's the box. This is what you're going to be getting. This is what it looks like. Alright? Pretty simple. I'm going to read some of these specifications off to you real quick. DR900S 2-channel smart, reliable, and connected dashcam. 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames a second front and full HD 1080 30 frames a second rear. H.265 encoding for reduced file size, but you also have H.264 available in case your particular PC or something is not compatible with H.265. It's got an 8 megapixel front and 2.1 megapixel rear CMOS sensor, high dynamic range, and enhanced night vision. It'll support up to 128 gigabyte microSD card, adaptive format-free file management system, loop recording, and intelligent parking mode, built-in 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, G-sensor, and GPS, event file overwrite protection, Blackvue app for Android and iOS, Blackvue viewer for Windows and Mac, compatible with free Blackvue over-the-cloud service for remote live view, emergency alarm, etc. Now, let's talk about Blackvue over the cloud because this is a big deal. Live view. Watch what's going on around your vehicle just like a CCTV camera anywhere, anytime. Remote video playback. Play videos stored in your dashcam or cloud from your mobile device. Emergency alarm. Receive notifications on your smartphone when preset events occur. GPS tracking. Lets individuals and businesses track their vehicle's route, speed, and parking location. Video backup. Move important footage to the free cloud storage or to your smartphone's internal memory. Auto upload. Automatically uploads footage to the cloud. Two-way voice communication. Talk to the driver or people in the vehicle using your smartphone. The free cloud account features are 10 minutes of live view per day. You can only register one Blackvue dash camera per account, and one camera means the main camera and the rear camera as well. So technically two, but it's just one camera assembly. 5 gigs of cloud storage, 100 downloads or replays per month. All right, now that we got that out of the way, we're going to talk real quick about that Blackvue PowerMagic Ultra battery B-124. That battery pack will basically allow your camera to run 24 hours. Even if you don't start your car for a full 24 hours, your cameras can record up to 24 hours on this one battery pack. It's a big battery pack. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We're going to show you how we have it all set up. Then we're going to get into the footage right now. All right, now some of you guys wanted me to do a video showing how I installed this camera. Let me tell you something. What is that? Well, hi there, little guy. You're going to be famous. What a strange looking beetle, isn't it? Huh. Okay, yeah, you just go your way, and I'll just go mine. Okay, back to the video. Sorry for that little inconvenience there, but that's a really cool looking bug. These cameras are not really difficult to install, guys. Really, they're not. But some people just aren't good with wiring and electronics and things like that. So for you that may not feel comfortable doing this, just take it to any audio shop. Should be able to do something like this. This is a pretty simple setup. Now, I've got mine. The wires are disconnected right now because I took the memory card out so I can do this video for you guys. But basically, once you snap this back on, your wires plug in like so. And I know it's a little dark. I'll try to clean this up here in just a second for you. All right, here's what the camera looks like. And again, I do understand it's dark. There's clean it up just a little bit for you there. All right, it's a beautiful camera. You've got your power, then you've got your rear camera connection, you've got your button that allows you to turn on and off the Wi-Fi at the push of a button. You hold this button, it allows you to format your SD card. The SD card actually goes under this cover. You have your little lights right here for record and GPS. On this side, you actually have where you can wave your hand across it and turn on and off audio recording at will. Now, I have my tiny little rear camera right here. I mean, this thing is so discreet and out of sight, it's ridiculous. It sits right above my rear view mirror, and, I mean, at nighttime, you're never going to see it. I have my wires. There's only 2 of them, right, that run this whole thing, so no big deal. I've got my wires running straight up the windshield, and then I tuck them behind this headliner. All right, at which point I could take this apart for you, but I'm not. I pulled the A-pillar. This is held in with just a couple plastic clips. Most cars are the same way. Just pop this A-pillar off, and then I run my power wire down the A-pillar, and I pull this trim back right here. You can actually just pull it down. Almost all cars are identical. And then I hide the wires behind here, at which point they run into this kick panel. You can actually see one of the wires that I didn't do an excellent job of hiding right there. All right, it runs down, then I run it up underneath all of this over to here, and this is where I have my power. All right, I've got a cigarette lighter right here. This is my power, and I've got it tucked. Everything is tucked. I'm very, very, very big, OCD even, about wires. So everything is tucked under here, and you will not see what I've got is one of those power splitters. It's got USB ports, it's got all kinds of stuff, but I've got it run all up under here. This could be a little cleaner, but whatever. Somewhere in here is, there it is. That's my power adapter right there. All right, now as for the battery pack that runs this thing 24/7, I didn't do the best job on this either, but I just stuck it under my floor mat. I mean, you can't see it. It runs under the floor mat, and then again, it runs around and up into here where I have all of my little adapters that are out of sight and out of mind. This way, it's not going to get caught in customers' feet. And the battery pack is right here. We're going to pull this out for you guys real quick so you can have a look at it. This is the Blackvue PowerMagic Ultra battery pack. Let's clean that up for you a little bit. It's pretty simple, but it is a big battery pack. This is big, this is heavy, and it's also very simple. It's just a matter of connecting this to your car's power, and then connecting this to your dash cam. And it does have an expansion port. That is so you can add another battery and have even more recording time. I think this battery pack right here at 24 hours is enough. I know my carpets are dirty. It's getting steam cleaned in a few days. And that is the Blackvue setup. Now that you've seen how it's installed, we can move on to footage. Alright, so here we are at night with the DR900S
to see what kind of nighttime visibility we're going to get out of these cameras. As always, I don't enhance this video or audio footage at all. I put it straight into my editor exactly as it comes from the camera. I don't touch it. What you see is what you get. So let's get out of here. I don't know how much traffic there's going to be 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. Probably not very much, but we'll at least see the kind of quality you can expect from these cameras. Let's go.
Alright, I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. This is a great camera, period. Interior quality, exterior quality, daytime, nighttime, excellent quality footage. You can read street signs at night. Are you kidding me? And this doesn't have any type of infrared. Alright, I know a lot of people are just determined you've got to have infrared on that interior camera at night, but I'm telling you, this thing does phenomenally. I have 20% dark tint on my car at nighttime, and you can still see everything. Infrared is not necessary. The 4K quality allows you to see street signs at nighttime. It's like, are you kidding me? Blackvue really went all out on this one. And I want to make it very clear, Blackvue does not pay me to do these reviews. Nobody pays me like Blackvue and some of these other companies. I don't get paid. I've been offered money to do reviews. I don't take it. These reviews are organic. They are my own. I tell you what I think. The only thing I get out of it is, at best, a free camera. And I've gotten tons of them. So I don't let a free camera sway my review one way or another. All right? This is about legitimate reviews for you guys. And Blackvue has done it again. They really, in fact, I think they kind of overdid it with 4K. That is wild. Of course, I'm interested in hearing what you guys think, so hit me up in that comment section below, man. Tell me what you think of 4K front camera and that 1080p interior cam. I think the thing's gorgeous. The camera's gorgeous. It's a professional camera. It's something to really keep in mind because this is a more expensive camera. This is aimed probably more at, okay, even if you're an UberX driver, if you have the money, you can afford to shell out, a few $100+ for the camera, absolutely go for it. But this is the type of camera that professional companies put in their fleet vehicles. All right, this is not small time stuff. You're going to pay the premium for the type of quality footage and the quality build that you're going to be getting from Blackvue. This is the real deal. So you Uber Lux or Lyft Lux or Uber Black or whatever all of these are, I know there's a ton of them out there, but any of you premier Black and Lux and SUV type people out there, this is probably what you've been waiting for. This is as sleek as it gets. It's as good as it gets. There is nothing that I know of on the market that's going to beat the quality of this, especially with a 4K front camera. Come on now. So jump on this while you can, guys. I know that they've got a limited stock of this stuff, so if they run out, try not to freak out. Just keep checking back. Again, link will be in the description for those of you that are interested in picking this thing up. I'll have the 2-channel camera setup in the description. I'll have a 1-channel camera setup in the description. I'll have the battery pack in the description separately, so you guys can click on whatever it is you want. And of course, since it's an Amazon link, I do get a very teeny tiny commission off of whatever you purchase, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So if you use any of my links, shout out to you. I appreciate you for that because every little bit helps. And I think Amazon, the Associates program, is just amazing because You guys do whatever shopping you're going to do, and I get a small commission on top of it. It doesn't cost you any extra. It works out for both of us. I always like to thank you for that. That's going to be it for the video. Again, thank you, Blackvue. Thank you for watching, all you internet YouTube people out there. Like the video, comment below, tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you guys soon in the next one.